and welcome back. It's been a while. Yes, I know. I almost took a month long hiatus to just focus on work and everything else that was demanding my attention. By the way, I'm Shruti. I live in Auckland, New Zealand. I moved from India to New Zealand a couple of years back, and I just share pieces of my life with you all and would appreciate your comments and feedback and suggestions and recommendations and anything else that you have to say. So hit that comment and just let me know what you think of my vlogs. What you're seeing on screen is me and Shreen on a breakfast date. It was supposed to be a GP visit initially, and after the visit, we just were walking past this beautiful cafe. More beautiful because of the vibes that we experienced and the energy. Maybe it was the weather, who knows, but it was the most delicious breakfast that I've ever had around here. So everything lemon, as you can see on the screen, was on our table, accompanied by coffee and just spending some time together. Yep, that was us. And then I come back to making something healthy because, of course, we are over past our guilt and calorie count for the day already with the sweets and cakes and whatnot. So yeah, I'm actually trying to keep the dinner healthy. And then came the next day, where I wanted to make something sumptuous. Now, it is spring currently in New Zealand, so it's not cold, but it's not hot, and it's that time of the year where you're confused of having something soupy and hot or something, semi-solid, or you don't want to be in the kitchen for so long. So this is just the perfect recipe for those days. I call it rasam plus sambar or rasambar because I'm using all the spices that I used in rasam. Now, rasam is a South Indian soup. It's made of a lot of green chilies and curry leaves and spices put together with tamarind juice. And then what I'm doing here is also adding some veggies and the lentil, which is the tur dal, to make up for the sambar, the missing sambar, because I wanted to have a perfect South Indian thali, which involved rice, sambar, rasam, and curd rice. So here I am. What you see is here is what I'm doing is to basically add all the veggies in a pressure cooker and just saute them a little, add lentil, rice, close the lid. Yeah, of course the veggies. And close the lid and just have fun. And then when it's done, that'll be our dinner. Ooh. Fancy. Wow.
Come on, girl. Okay.
This is so good. So are you saying that we don't have to like
Cheers.
cheers.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Renee, let's have this one. I said, okay. I had 2 slices
Yeah.
and then lunch.
Does he always bring food to the office? Does he always bring food to the office?
Hi, Mark. Thank you.
That looks very nice.
Looks good, right?
Yeah, I know.
We wanted to go to Singapore. That didn't work because it's very difficult to get PR there.
And we're heading to get some coffee. And food. Coffee! Cheers! And that's a wrap on our morning walk.
Morning walk. Yep.
Going home to start working. Hey,